Whenever we look to make an assembly, it's all about looking for big, bold pictures. And it's quite amazing to have that video screen. It just brings it all alive. With a massive picture, it just allows students to kind of imagine themselves in that scene, in that time.
That video wall in the main hall is phenomenal. Just the engagement it brings with the imagery and with the videography we can use in assemblies, that to me is a beautiful centrepiece.
Assemblies that we're able to put on in the school are hugely immersive because of that video wall that we have. As soon as a child comes in, they are taken by that wall and their attention is focused on what's going on. It's a really, really impressive way of immersing a child into an assembly.
It just combines the visuals with it being nice, big and clear, packaged together with the crystal clear audio, just being that much grander. It just invites the students a little bit more to engage in that assembly, and it really helps to kind of bring some of those images and those ideas alive.